hello, 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 and look, I got makeup on my shirt because I put on makeup for you, my friends. It is I, Rhonda, of Rhonda Said, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Let's see if I can't get the... It's probably just going to stain. That's what makeup also does. Foundation does stain. But, you know, if that's my biggest problem, then I'm doing fantastic today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I have a brand new indie palette for you today. It is the Sorcerer palette, and it is from Cosmetica. And it has shimmers, it has duochromes, and it is very beautiful. And I can't wait to make a look with it for you. And that's what I'm about to do. But first, let's have some magic swatches. Bam! Look how beautiful these colors are. And even though you can't tell, it looks mostly green, but it's got a purpley blue shift to it. And it's very beautiful. But we're going to go on and wipe this off so I don't stain the rest of my shirt. And let's do a look with this gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So I'm going to start off with, let's see, it's so hard to know what to start off with. I'm going to start off with Firestorm. It's a shimmer. And put it here in my crease. And that's very pretty. And I swatched this palette a bunch before I ever did anything else with it because the shimmers and the duochromes are just so great. And this is pink with like a purpley pink shift. And it's very lovely and I'm very excited about it. And I got turned on to this palette by Teresa Is Dead. She was wearing it in a video and she talked about how great it was. And I am easily influenced when it comes to great palettes. So then I got it and now you're seeing it here, which is fun and fantastic. Let's see. Where do I go from this pink shimmer? Look at that shimmer. See that little purple shift? It's really cool. I think I'm going to go into Chaos. No, I'm going to go into Unleashed. And just put that on the outside. This is so pigmented. And it was a not very expensive palette. I can't remember how much it was, but I used the code GARBAGE and got 10% off with Teresa's Dead's code. Let's get a blending brush. Let's blend this out some, shall we? I'm getting ready to go out to an estate sale. And I'm gonna look like a lunatic. Let's get in here and get into Empower, which is this purple. Oh, that's really nice. I'm really loving this purple. It's helping tone down the pink for sure. I always have trouble getting my eyes done evenly. That's so pretty. Just gonna keep blending this out. I'm gonna go back in with Firestorm and blend that out a little. It's really pretty. I'm going to go in with Arcane to the inner corner here. Wow. This is a lavender with a purpley pink shift. I'm loving this. This is very, very pretty. Now I'm going to put some eyeliner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and eyeliner on. This look is so dynamic. And what kind of lip should I put on? So hard to tell. Something, I don't want to do something as bold as what I'm wearing. Let's try my Seductress Nude, but somehow I don't think that's going to look great. No. Not great. I guess I'm going to have to do something with some color. This is a beautiful pink. It's 125. I need one super matte stay ink, which is called Inspirer. That's much better. That looks great. So this is my look with the Sorcerer palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.